Okay, Saturday is going to bring in a chance for thunderstorms, and there may be some isolated severe storms. Let's go over the threat for the weekend here on Saturday. When will the severe threat happen? This is Saturday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Straight line winds with gusts of 30 to 40 are possible in some of the storms. There may be some small hail in some of the thunderstorms, and an isolated tornado is possible, but not overly likely. And let me just go over all the players here. First of all, here's what it looks like close up. Saturday, 7 a.m., scattered light rain showers on Saturday morning. And by noon on Saturday, we're beginning to see more moderate showers, but it will be this line of storms in our northern counties that has the most likely chance of having a severe thunderstorm with those winds, maybe some hail. An isolated tornado with these storms here is possible going into 3 o'clock, and then after that it exits, and we're done with the severe threat as we head into the early evening. Here's a bigger picture. This is the same storm system. That's the low pressure center near 7 a.m. in the morning, giving Houston the chance for light rain in the morning on Saturday. And then going into noon, there are the brighter colors indicating a chance for a thunderstorm. But I want you to notice this. It's right along that warm front, that red line. That's where we have those brighter orange colors showing up on the computer model. That suggests that the strongest storms and the best chance for severe weather will be here in northern Louisiana and far northeast Texas. And then as everything blows through by 5 o'clock, all the severe threat has moved into Louisiana. We're cooling off, and that is some snow and sleet in the panhandle tomorrow evening. And by Sunday morning, gusty northwest wind will drop temperatures into the 40s to begin Sunday morning. The Storm Prediction Center has northern Louisiana and southern Arkansas in the bullseye for the severe threat. This is where you're most likely to get a tornado. Not so much here in the Houston, southeast Texas area, but we're on the edge of that, so we're going to watch for it, and we'll be on weather watch with you as we go through the day on Saturday. The upper level winds tell the story. You see where they're spreading out here in northeast Texas and northern Louisiana? That spread is what we call divergent winds aloft. We're talking about winds up toward 34,000 feet. And it's that spread in the winds, like spread the fingers on your hand and see how it creates the space in between your fingers. That's a vacuum, and a vacuum sucks air and lifts it up. And so that's the area right in here that gets the greatest lift. And the biggest reason for it is that kink, that negative tilt in the flow causing the winds to spread. And that's where we know there's the best chance for seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm. How much rain are we going to get? Maybe 1 or 2 inches of rain in spots, which is not a whole lot, but if it comes down all at once, it could cause some street ponding. So that's why we added that to the threat, street ponding in some spots on Saturday. Here's the extended. Stormy Saturday, and then Sunday you won't recognize the place. Lows in the upper 40s with a northwest wind. High will struggle to make 70, which means on Sunday we spend most of the day in the 60s when the normal high is near 80. There's your update. We'll keep you posted on all the platforms, and get the app. You'll have the entire KHOU newsroom right in your hand. And so if there are severe weather watches and warnings and updates, you'll have it right there.